If you have issues with Hotspot not working properly on CMF Phone 2 Pro, let me try to help you fix your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings and open network and internet. And there we go. Now over here, we're gonna go to hotspot and tethering. In this place, we have our Wi-Fi hotspot. If you have hotspot already enabled, the first thing that you can do is simply turn off and turn back on. Sometimes this simple action works or fixes issues as well. Let's now proceed to the Wi-Fi hotspot in order to find the details. And another thing that you can do is try to use the QR code in order to scan the Wi-Fi QR code, the Wi-Fi hotspot QR code, so that the other device doesn't have to, or you don't have to enter the password or search for the network on the other device. So you can just simply scan the Wi-Fi code and, I mean the, not Wi-Fi code, the QR code for the Wi-Fi, and see if you can connect on your other device. Besides that, what you can also do is, first of all, we're gonna turn off the Wi-Fi hotspot so that we can try to change the speed and compatibility. Now in this case, unfortunately, it seems that this option is disabled, even though just not so recently I was able to change it. Okay, so in case you cannot switch the speed and compatibility, which can also be the reason why your other device cannot find the hotspot that we have created, is due to the compatibility, because sometimes, or in other words, some devices do not have access to 5 GHz frequency, so you will have to switch to 2.4 GHz. And if you have this option blocked, this might be due to the Wi-Fi that you are using. So if you use Wi-Fi that has 5 GHz of frequency, then you won't be able to switch and downgrade to 2.4. So in my case, I had to go to Wi-Fi and actually turn it off, because if I enable and if I connect to my Wi-Fi, as you can see right now, I am connected. And if I go back to hotspot and tethering, there we go. As you can see now, it's disabled, it's deactivated. I cannot change it. So give it a try. Just turn off Wi-Fi, and if possible, of course, try to share the access to the internet by using your mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. And make sure that the compatibility is set to 2.4, because most devices actually should be able to find your Wi-Fi hotspot if you use 2.4 GHz of frequency. And that is pretty much everything that we can do in order to try to solve issues with hotspot. Besides that, you can try to use USB tethering instead if it's not inconvenient for you, of course, or Bluetooth tethering. These options can work as well. But that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!